Liliana here from Everyday Crystal Magic in another video of the fall themes, and this is about crystals for the blood, because blood is another theme for this season in all the legends and lore about monsters, horror movies, etc. At physical level, blood is the carrier of nutrients and oxygen, the carrier of life. For that reason, it's sacred. In this video, I'll give you 5 crystals to support blood and circulatory system health, courtesy of your favorite vampire. Let's start with the crystal named after the actual word for blood. Hematite comes from the Greek word hema, meaning blood. It has a high iron content. It's pretty heavy, twice the specific gravity of bloodstone. This crystal supports strong blood supply, iron absorption, and the formation of red blood cells. Because of this, it's used in treating anemia. It's also good for leg cramps and insomnia. Bloodstone. The lore associated this crystal to the blood of Christ. Legend has it that this crystal was created when the blood of Jesus fell on green jasper at the feet of the cross. Metaphysically, it's also associated with Christ's consciousness. When it comes to the blood itself, it is a cleanser and purifier. It supports the healing of bladder, kidneys, intestine, and liver, basically everything in the vicinity of the sacral chakra. Supports leukemia patients too. Red garnet, the beautiful rich blood color, is a blood cleanser, flush the toxins and stimulating blood circulation and heart rhythm is the things that this crystal does for you. It supports healthy metabolism and helps the body absorb nutrients. If you want to check other benefits of these crystals, watch the video how to pick the right red crystal. Click on the end card. You can always use clear quartz to enhance the qualities of these crystals or to program it with the attributes of these in case you don't have any of them around. Now, let's not forget that blood is part of a system pumped by the heart. Crystals for the heart chakra and organ are chrysocolla and green aventurine. The calming and soothing energy of chrysocolla will help manage stress and keep your blood pressure down, and it will support physical healing. Green aventurine, traditionally considered a stone of luck and prosperity, also wealth, is also heart chakra stone. It's a stone of optimism, and optimism is healthy. It supports physical health of the heart. It has anti-inflammatory effects and also help with blood pressure. So in this season, take good care of yourself holistically. Don't forget to stay active, get proper nutrition, and raise your vibration. And until next time, have fun, be well, and do tons of magic.